Before you buy an expensive Shopify theme, here is a truth. You can launch a beautiful, high-converting store in 2025 using only free themes. In this video, I am ranking 7 best Shopify themes, including the ones made for apparel, food, art, and more. Whether you're launching your first store or testing a niche before investing, these free options are a smart place to start. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Sakib from Ecomclips. We help business grow on Shopify and other platforms. And one question we get all the time: are Shopify themes even worth in 2025? The short answer: yes, if you pick the right ones. Now look, it's true, paid themes do perform better. They are faster, more flexible, and packed with features. But if you are on a budget, just testing out a new store or building your MVP, Shopify's free themes are better than ever. And these 7 are our top picks this year. Number 1, Horizon. Best for apparel, Horizon is visually stunning, perfect for fashion brands that need large visuals and clean navigation. Easy to customize, look modern on mobile and desktop. Number 2, Spotlight. Also for apparel, Spotlight is sleek and minimal. Great for smaller clothing brands or starter collections. Typography focused and fast loading. Number 3, Publisher. Best for entertainment and digital products. Think books, music, or subscriptions. It's like a magazine layout, content focused and easy to navigate. Number 4, Taste. Built for food and drink, perfect for cafes, bakeries, and DTC food brands. Beautiful layout, rich product storytelling, and large visual blocks to showcase flavors. Number 5, Refresh. Ideal for beauty and skincare. It's minimal and luxurious. Great for showcasing high-end products, pairs well with lifestyle photos and clean branding. Number 6, Trade. Built for wholesale and home and garden. Large inventory, bulk buyers, Trade is designed like a clean catalog with great navigation and wide image blocks. Number 7, Studio. Perfect for artists and creatives. If you are an artist, illustrator, or handmade seller, Studio gives your work the space it deserves. It's simple, clean, and visual fast. And coming up, I'll share you how to choose the right free theme of your brand. Plus, a pro tip to boost your speed and conversions using free themes. But first, tap the like button if this video helped you so far, and comment below which themes do you like most. So, let's answer some common questions about free Shopify themes. Are free Shopify themes good enough? Yes. Shopify's official free themes are responsive, fast, and well supported. Can you customize them? Absolutely. Fonts, colors, homepage section, all customizable without code. When should you upgrade to a paid theme? When you want advanced filters, mega menus, speed optimization, or totally unique look. Can I switch themes later? Yes, Shopify makes it easy to test and switch themes without losing products. If you are using a free theme and want better performance, compress images with tiny PNG. Avoid unnecessary apps and use Shopify meta fields for clean layouts. Simple changes like this can boost your load speed and conversions. Still not sure which theme fits your store? If you are in fashion, go with Horizon or Spotlight. If you are in food or beauty, try Taste or Refresh. If you are looking for expert help, reach out to us at info@ecomclips.com. We'd love to help you build your store the right way. And now, click the video on the screen to discover the best free tools to use with your Shopify store, from design to marketing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.